Today we're going to take a look at the Demco Hijacker Premier Series custom mounting brackets for the fifth wheel above bed base rails. This is a custom fit part. It is designed to fit the 2013 and newer Dodge Ram and Ram 3500 series trucks with either the 6-foot bed or the 8-foot bed without the factory rail kit. Now on any custom fit part, I always like to recommend to go to our website, use our fit guide, put in your year and model vehicle, and it'll show you if this will work for your application. Now these installation brackets will mount beneath your truck bed to provide attachment points for your fifth wheel rails to attach to. Now the base rails we do sell separately on our website. It's part number DM8552026. The rails is what will sit in your truck bed and allow the installation of the fifth wheel trailer hitch to your truck bed. Now these are custom fit brackets. They're designed to mount to the frame using existing holes in your vehicle's frame. And because of that, it'll help minimize the drilling used, helps reduce installation time, and it's also designed to avoid known obstacles along your specific vehicle's frame. All these parts are a sturdy steel construction, have a nice black powder coat finish to them to help resist corrosion. All the hardware is included, even a set of detailed instructions on how to install everything and pictures of how to do it. These parts are made in the USA. That should do it for the review on the Demco Hijacker Premier Series custom mounting brackets for fifth wheel above bed base rails.
Click the link below to shop, learn more, or visit us at etrailer.com.